Bonjour beauty gang, it's me, Jared Bailey, the global brow expert at Benefit Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to style your brows 3 different ways. Our first look is a straighter eyebrow. Now this is a more modern approach to a very natural look where you use the orbital bone as the guide. This ain't your grandmother's eyebrow. This is straight and very full. Our next look is the wild brow. Now I am wild about brows, but these brows are full of texture and hair-like strokes. So we're gonna go in and make sure we leave spaces in between each stroke and then gel it up. Our final look is a bit more sophisticated, the kind you might find on Instagram. It has a gradation of color and a really pronounced arch, and it's definitely gonna get some looks. Thanks for watching, Beauty Gang. Hopefully this inspired you to try some new style with your eyebrows. And remember, it's just makeup.